Now I'm going to apologise that it's going to be a very, very shaky camera, but I thought I'd come out here with the bees and the lavender, and yes, I'm by lavender. But anyway, here to do a tag. It will be linked down below. Now this tag originated from a query from a subscriber to Tracy over at Crochet Rocks. She was asked about her top 20 playlist and she turned it into a tag. Now, top 20, sorry, I went 22 because I like the number 2 and 22 is my favourite number, so I added an extra 2. Sorry. I do have as one of my playlists songs of this crocheter, which is public. If you ever wanted to delve into my mind of the things that I love, oh my gosh, the bees are lovely. Love it. Go and have a look at the playlist. See how my mind works. But I have got my top 20 for you. So here goes. And none of these are in order. They're not in order from the worst to the best. They are like my top 20. Will you quieten down? Gosh, you're so loud. Dear me. So loud. There's so many of them. I'm so sorry. I know I'd get distracted if I came out here. Okay, so Nothing is going to stop us now by Starship. Man in the Mirror, Michael Jackson. Time to Say Goodbye by Andrea Bocelli and Sarah Brightman. Barcelona, Freddie Mercury and, oh no, I've forgotten her name again. If I remember, I'll put it down here during editing. Noisy plane. Glory Box by Portishead. Excuse me, sorry. Shh. Glory Box by Portishead. Everybody by Backstreet Boys, or Backstreet's Back, but its actual name is Everybody. Mr. Blue Sky by the Electric Light Orchestra. Call Me Al by Paul Simon. Stand and Deliver by Adam and the Ants. Stay by Shakespeare Sister. Elastic Heart by Sia. Melting Pot by Boyzone. Stay by Lisa Loeb. Bilingual, and now this is how I'm going to pronounce this. I'm going to butcher it, I know I am. Almeida versus Jose Nunez. I Got You Babe by Sonny and Cher. Queen and the Soldier and Tom Steiner, the a cappella version by Suzanne Vega. Sting, Shape of My Heart by Sting, and also Don't Stand So Close to Me by The Police. The Wall by Tracy Chapman, and my bonus 2 to make it 22, Truly, Madly, Deeply by Savage Garden, and As the World Falls Down by David Bowie. And I have a visitor. Hello, my love. Hello. Welcome to my lavender secret den. Hello. How are you? Are you good? Oh. Yes? Hi. It's nice that she's come to say hello. Yes? I'm sure people in the comments will say, oh, give us some scratches from me. Give her a head rub from me. So take this as the scratches and the head rub. There we go. Now, who am I going to be tagging? Well, I'm going to tag Auntie from Hookin' and then Island Style. And I'm going to be also tagging Colleen, Grammy Colleen Crochets. Those two people. And if you're commenting down below and you're not a creator, what I'd like to know from you is your top 3. I'm not going to ask you for your top 20, but I'll ask you for your top 3. But Auntie and Colleen, I want to hear 20 from you guys. So get to it. Anyway, I'm going to sit here for another 5 or 10 minutes and enjoy the buzzy beeses. It's suddenly gone all quiet, and I think that might be because Beany's here, but there's definitely a couple of bees behind me, and I'm loving it out here. It's wonderful. So there's my tag. Hope to see you soon. Oh, factoid. Every Sunday I do a karaoke for a couple of people on WhatsApp. I can't sing, but it makes them smile, and that's the main thing. There's your factoid. Take care. Bye-bye.